hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you again for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, I do wish you would consider hitting subscribe. We have lots of fun here and do all kinds of fun unboxings, live streams, giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, we do have the thrifted bag giveaway going on that will be linked down below, so definitely check that out if you have not already. But as you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 Vellabox. For those of you that do not know, Vellabox is a monthly candle subscription, and it is amazing. Amazing. So you get to choose from 3 different sizes as far as their plans, starting at only $10. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Vellabox. This makes a great gift, so keep in mind Christmas is right around the corner and it'll be here before we know it. So if you know someone that loves candles, this may be a good gift. What I do really like about this is these are artisan candles, and they're from different artisans across the US, and I just think that that is fantastic. They're always so amazing and they smell fantastic. So it says your boxes will be sourced and curated by candle experts. Your first box ships immediately and following boxes ship on the 5th of every month. And it says, enjoy beautifully designed candles from a new artisan each month. You can prepay for 6 months and save 5%, or 12 months and save 10%. I do have a promo code, which is Nicki5, Nicki 5. I'll put that down below with the link. That will save you $5 off your first box. So let's go over the 3 different plans that they have. They have their Lucerna box, where you receive a 4-ounce candle every month with about 25 hours of burn time. And all 3 of their subscriptions, you always do get a cute little surprise bonus item with, in addition to the candle. So you would get the 4-ounce candle and the surprise item for $10. Then they have their their Ignis box, which is the 8-ounce candle and the little surprise goodie for $20 a month. And then they have the Vivere box, which is the one that I have here, where you get the 8-ounce and the 4-ounce plus the little surprise for $30 a month. So like I said, I will put all of the information down below, like the link and that promo code Nicki5 to save you $5 off your first box. So let's get in here and see what we got for October 2019. I do love, it always comes with like a little postcard type card here. And this says, the best wines are the ones we drink with friends. Oh, and that is so true. And it's like a vineyard. So there's definitely a wine theme happening here, because this is another thing about Vellabox that I love, is each of the candles every month come in different little canvas drawstring bags, and obviously we're seeing wine happening, so we can figure out the theme. I do want to see, let's see, let me get the card out. All right. All right, so okay, this is different. So this is actually a collaboration, so this is awesome. This says the Crafted Collab Series. All right, so we've loved collaborating with various artisan makers on all the different candles you've received over the years. But who says we should limit these features to just candle companies? We want to connect with more brands outside the candle industry that make products you already know and love. And that's the idea behind the Crafted Collab series. In the spirit of true collaboration, we'll work side by side with brands to design custom candles that represent their products. Then we'll bring in our makers to craft the vision into life. Some of these candles will make an appearance in your monthly box, while others will be exclusively available on our shop. Tell us which brand you'd love to see next. Love, Team Vella. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so these, I'm seeing a card here for a promo code for Vellabox members for Empathy wines. So I am guessing that they partnered with Empathy Wines. So let's see. It says empathy. Yep. More information on this card. Empathy and Vellabox, the Crafted Collab series. We've teamed up with Empathy to create candles reminiscent of their wines. Although we still recommend buying a bottle, pop the cork and strike a match, cozy up and stay in. Produced by Broken Top Candle Company. Our friend Afton of Broken Top sniffed and sipped, poured and repoured until she had the perfect companion to a glass of Empathy wine. These are 100% soy wax, phthalate free fragrance, and cotton wicks. So let's get in here. So oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we're gonna start with the small guy first. And I'm loving, like I said, these bags. I mean, the wine bottles, the wine glasses, little vineyards. This is amazing. All right. So Empathy, California white wine. Right there. And for this one, it says, so we'll read the description before we smell it. Fragrance notes are grapefruit, Meyer lemon, sea salt, citrus blossom. The weekend has arrived. The plan is no plan at all. Your glass in hand, fresh fruits within reaching distance. You've earned this moment. Drink it in. Yeah. Oh. That smells so good. That smells like so refreshing and y'all. Oh, that smells so good. I really wish we had smell-o-vision. Somebody make it happen. That smells so good. Oh. I just love these candles so much. And then you want to make a collaboration with wine. What? Okay, so we have the 8 ounce here again in a bigger bag. And these bags, again, they are so nice. You can reuse these for so many different things. So this is the Empathy California red wine right there. And this one says blackberry, black cherry, dark chocolate, vanilla, licorice are the fragrance notes. The sun's going down. The days are shorter now. The air is crisp. It's that time of year when everything just feels right. Glass half full. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. Oh, that smells so good. And the crazy thing is I don't really care for red wine, but I think I like this candle. I mean, they both smell fantastic. But it's just funny to me that the red wine one is the one that I'm like, what? That smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got 2 amazing candles. What? Y'all. Okay, they're wine themed. And then our little bonus gift I think is so adorable and so appropriate for the theme. On the go corkscrew. So it's like you can put it on your keychain. So detach key ring, slide out silver handle. Oh, so you'd have to take that off. Okay, I'm not doing all that. Insert handle into the hole at the top of the corkscrew. So that right there. Used to open a bottle of Empathy. But anyway, it's an on-the-go corkscrew. So that's actually, I mean, you never know in a pinch. So I thoroughly enjoyed this month's box for Vellabox. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I will put a link down below as well as that promo code Nikki5 to save you $5 off your first box. I definitely recommend signing up, especially if you like wine or just candles in general, but this month is just really, really good. And every month is really, really good. This month is just something, I think it's just the combination of candles and wine. They smell fantastic. So there you go. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.